Okay, I think this is part 2 of the rifle shooting merit badge, right, Alex?
Right.
We're doing what, more practice shooting, and
Safety rules.
Before we start, you want to go over the safety rules a little bit?
Okay. So always keep the gun pointed in a safe direction.
Yep.
Always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
That's right.
Always keep the gun unloaded until you're ready to use it, and always assume the gun is loaded.
Right, so you'll treat it properly if you assume it's
like
always...
it is loaded.
Yeah.
And always know your back... I was going to say backdrop. What is it?
Backstop, that's right.
Backstop.
Yeah,
Backstop.
just knowing what's behind your target.
Know what's behind the target. Like if it was to miss, what would it hit?
Right.
So like that mound of dirt right there, you know, well, it would stop it.
That's right. And we're at the range today, and there's our target at 50 feet, which is what we're supposed to be at. And
50 feet?
Yep, that's 50 feet. Now, can you show me some of the parts of this rifle? Because that's another requirement, right?
The barrel.
Let me see. Barrel.
Muzzle.
Muzzle.
Sight.
That's the front sight, right?
Front sight.
Yep.
Well, the thing you looked at it.
I know they don't differentiate between the front sight and the rear sight, but you do have a rear sight.
The butt.
The butt.
How could I forget that? The trigger. The trigger guard.
Yep.
Isn't that what it is?
That's right. Well, you've got the bolts in here, right? And that's the bolt lever that you pull back the bolt with.
I see.
Right, and that's the rear sight, which we just put on. Those are the new tech sights. So let's get set up here. You did pretty good. The other thing we're going over as a part of this merit badge are the types of cartridges, right, Alex?
Yeah.
So what have you got there?
This whole thing's a rimfire cartridge. Here's the casing. This is the actual bullet. The gunpowder's inside there. And the primer is actually built into the rim of the casing.
That's right.
So that's why it's called a rimfire.
Good job. And then on a centerfire cartridge, what's the difference? Center. It has a primer that's sort of a separate piece that goes into the back, right? But right now we're dealing with this rimfire cartridge, so we'll learn the next time we have the AK out at the range. We'll look at the centerfire cartridges. Okay, and we're still using our merit badge series books from the BSA for this merit badge. Here's our rifle shooting merit badge handbook. So all of the information we will learn today will come out of this manual. Right, Alex?
Right.
Those are cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's very cool.
It is very cool.
Yeah.
Are you ready to put the magazine in and take a little test fire now? We are still not using the proper support here for this. We've got our range bag here we're using. So I think when you actually do this merit badge, you'll have better support. So, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. There you go. Take your time now. You're going a little too fast. Okay, see, 2 of your shots were right together within a dime. The other one was up near the middle target, so you're rushing it. Okay. Are you going to try this? Which one? The bottom left this time?
Sure. The dark or the orange?
But always do the orange for right now.
Okay.
Go ahead. Okay, so how did you do? Let me adjust those sights right quick. Okay, what I want you to do is take your time. I think you're rushing your shots. So what I want to do is I want to try a group myself, okay?
Alright.
See how I'm keeping the trigger pulled? I'm squeezing.
Ow.
Okay? So how did that turn out? So we got ourselves a better prop. And I'm going to aim for the center one this time, Alex. Okay?
Okay.
Now it's going to be high right because of the sights, but I'm not going to change my aim point once I start, okay?
Alright.
Just want to breathe. You want to take a breath? Okay. I didn't keep my trigger pulled. Okay.
Okay. Worked out pretty good, I think. I didn't actually look
Yeah,
at it.
see those three?
Well, obviously you won't be able to see on there.
Let's go down and look. These are my two groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I just wanted to make sure that the sights were even capable of grouping.
Sorry? Oh, right there.
Yeah, those three and those three. Okay. So see, you did good here. You got one little flyer, and over here you did pretty good. You actually hit the. Yeah. But see, our sights are off. You were aiming for this target, right?
I was.
Yeah.
Oh.
Remember? Yeah, because see, you're not getting. When I was hitting here, I was actually aiming at this point right here. Because I was actually trying to hit this, but I kept my aim point the same the whole time. Now right here, I was aiming for the center of this target. So we need to adjust the sights some more. But see, that's part of the merit badge, is learning how to adjust the sights. So, which one are you going to try this time?
Sure, I guess.
Since we're shooting up and right, try for this one.
Alright, so I aim for lower left?
No, I want you to aim for that dot right there. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Got safety off? Okay, got your target acquired?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Keep your same aim point. Take your time.
Sorry, I'm on one knee and...
Well, the reason you need to take your time is because you got to shoot 5 groups, right? Well, if one of those shots is out of the group, then you got to start all over again.
It's just hard to balance.
Yeah. So we'll have the proper support for you when the time comes.
Okay.
Let's see how you did. Well, Alex, you did pretty good.
Really?
I think that group. Come look at that group. That group's within a quarter.
Where?
See?
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's within a quarter.
Cool.
Safety off. Okay, this is your first actual test. Alex is going to do 5 groups of 3 shots each.
Or try to, anyway.
Well, this is your first try, so you're going to start at the second one down on the left, right? We still don't have the sights dialed in, but we're going to try to get 5 groups.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
I see that hero right there. It's not loud.
Good. It shouldn't be. Should be just a little noise. What do you see when you look down here?
That's a good group. Now go to your second one. Remember, take your time. That's a good pace you're going at so far. That's a great group there, son. So now you're going to go for the center one? Keep that level of concentration going and you'll have it. Good one. Yep. See top right now? I mean, the second one down from the right.
Okay.
Okay, now go down, what, the third one down from the right, on the right?
Line up on the 10. Line up on the 10, you come in for a trigger. You see it?
Looks good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good groups. I think you got one group that's out of a quarter size, but well, that's what this practice is all about. I think all things considered, Alex, you did a great job.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
That one was within
great
a
group.
dime.
That's within a quarter. That's within a quarter. I think as long as the edge,
$5.
I think as long as the edge touches all of them, it's okay. That's the only one I think that's questionable.
Yeah.
But that's pretty good. I mean, considering the 22 really hasn't been sighted in with those new sights.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. And you have you're leaning up on my tool bag. You don't have proper, support for it. You're doing pretty good.
Thanks.